I started out in farming in 1987 when I graduated from college. My father gave me the privilege of coming back to the farm and farming with him. I am from Augusta, Kentucky, one of the most northern parts of Kentucky, farm along the Ohio River. Our operation consists of corn, soybeans, wheat, and tobacco. And then we have livestock, we have beef cattle. Of course, we're like most farmers. When we deal with inputs, we try to utilize the most cost-efficient methods that we can do. I think we're all here to understand that if we're not profitable, we're not going to be in business. So first and foremost, we're always looking at cost-effective methods. But then second, not just price, but what those inputs are going to do for us as far as our final yields are big factors in deciding what we're going to be doing. We soil test every year. We are big believers in not putting down more nutrients than we need, but we also like doing maintenance recommendations because we're not big fans of depleting the soil from everything that it has and then turn around the next year and have to start from scratch. We like to maintain good soil health, good soil tilth, and I think each year that we can do that, we'll see benefits each year to come by managing those type of nutrients. We were introduced to NutriSphere and AVAIL products through our agronomist and through our local retailer. We were dealing with problems of nitrogen leaching because of the heavy rains in the spring. We were doing different types of programs in how we applied our nitrogen. NutriSphere opened the door to a lot of easier type of applications with nitrogen products. With tobacco, we're doing a lot of nitrogen applying different times through the transplanting all the way through harvesting. And NutriSphere just has opened those doors to being able to put the nitrogen down when it's needed and knowing that it's going to stay there with us. Just like AVAIL, we've been able to use AVAIL to do the same types of being able to position the nutrients where we need them, when we need them, and knowing that the plant is going to be able to take them up at the opportune time that it's going to need it, thanks to your products being there for us. The test strips that we've been able to utilize with NutriSphere and AVAIL have really shown us what the ability is by using these products to be able to, again, micromanage our nutrient processing, where we're placing them, how we are, and how to utilize them. The trials that we've done with NutriSphere have been wonderful. We have seen yield bumps as much as 8 to 10 bushel by using NutriSphere on our corn, on all the different types of ways that we're applying it. And it has given us a wider window of when we can put down nitrogen, knowing that it's going to stay there with us. Same way with AVAIL. We've used AVAIL on our corn and our tobacco, and we've seen tremendous yield bumps by using it with the tobacco as a transplant and as a side dress type product. If other farmers were going to come to me and question the products of NutriSphere and AVAIL, I would tell them to do the same types of things that our agronomist and that our retailer asked us to do, and that was to try them. Not to use them on the entire crop that first year, but rather take a portion of a field, a portion of a farm, and simply utilize the products in a number of different recommended ways. Pick whichever one fits your operation the best and simply try it. And I would tell you that every farmer that did that would continue to use your products year in, year out.